What's up, Ross Cape gang? What's up, Ross Cape gang? If you're new to my channel or you're returning back to my channel, welcome back and subscribe. So today's video that I'm going to Lancaster to go get this phone fix. Basically a vlog. Just vlog for y'all today. I was kind of excited because I uploaded 2 videos for y'all, maybe 3. Wink, I don't know. But this probably will come out next week because I already uploaded 2 videos for y'all this week. So yeah, let's get right into the video. And make sure you smash that thumbs up button and go on with the video. So I'm black as ever. So we just got here and I'm in Forever 21. And I see these good clothing. Look at this. This color with my green one that I used to have. In this tan looking color. Get out of here before I get copyrighted. So yeah, we just got here and it's not crowded like usual. Cause it's a Friday and it's still in the morning time. So I'm going to go first, look around before it's time. Go get my appointment ready and done. So, yeah, I just see y'all when I see y'all.
Oh, dude. That is ugly. It looked like it was a mat, supposed to be like a little mask.
What?
Well, you tried. I guess it's nice.
What are you talking about?
Say hi.
The skeleton face?
Yeah.
It's the hands. Oh, dude.
I said, what is that?
Okay.
What the heck?
You see yourself?
Yeah, you gotta get her attention over there. Yeah, she'll follow you. There you go. She liked the phone.
Hi, Lily. Oh no, she don't.
She's looking up.
No toys.
belong to you?
So it's 8:32 in the morning. I got a haircut appointment today. This is day 2 of vlog because I did not get enough clips yesterday. So I want to update y'all on yesterday. Yesterday I went to the Apple store, the mall, and I was looking around when I was getting my phone fixed. But let me tell you what happened when I was in the process of, like, my phone fixed, So we was in the Apple store, and it wasn't crowded where I live. So it was this man, a white man, sitting right next to me. And I don't know if he was mad or something, but he was being disrespectful to the Apple people. So mind you that some people will get mad at the Apple employees because how busy Apple stores is every day. But today it wasn't that crowded. Wasn't, busy or anything. It was just like on a Friday and nobody was barely there. So I'm in the process of signing myself in to get my phone fixed, and the man is doing a list, checking my phone, seeing everything's okay and stuff. So this man right beside me, he had these sunglasses on, and the lady came up to him and said, "Hi, da-da-da-da, how can I help you today?" He was like, "You see this phone case? I want this phone. I want this phone. I want this phone." So the lady was looking at him weird because he just coming off aggressively and not even calm down. That's all. Like, calm down. You don't have to take it that far to have that tone with that lady that didn't even have a problem with you and stuff. So she asks for the name. He gonna pull out his ID and just keep on pulling it out to be smart. On the whole situation. And his wife, I'm taking a guess, them 2 kids was the wife and his daughters and stuff. They were just looking at him crazy. I know that Apple and their employees is trying their best to get to you, but that doesn't mean that you have to disrespect them. Because I find that disrespectful. Because they're trying their best. Apple's always crowded. So what do you expect? At this moment, you should go to Android because you're just disrespecting people for no reason. So after that, put my phone in. It was going to get done in 1 hour. Finally, I'm getting my phone fixed and stuff like that. So we went to, me and my mom went to, yikes. Forever 21, Aries, if I'm wrong. I don't know. And I didn't bother to go into Hollister. I went into GameStop. When I found in Forever and 21, it's this I found a lot of shirts. And Aries, I don't know that name. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Aries, I don't know, Aeropostale. Probably Aeropostale. I found these. They had a great sale, and I wish I had money at the time. It was buy one, get 2 shirts free. And I saw the 3 shirts that I wanted. But Forever 21 had them shirts with they collabed with Hot Cheetos, that brand, And I'm not gonna say I will buy it, but I will buy it just because, you know. But I am not tired. Yeah, I see y'all when I get there. Update. So I got my hair cut and stuff. And I'm just sitting here because I washed the dishes and stuff, you know. All the other jazz. I feel a bit tired. But this video comes to an end. But this video comes to an end. If you like this video, if you want more videos like this, make sure you smash that like button. And make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. And I hopefully, that this video is not less than 10 minutes. But I'm glad that I uploaded 2 times for y'all in 1 week. And hopefully I can keep that up too. So, see you on the next video, Ross Cut Gang.